Hey guys, Monkeygoat here. I'm excited! School's nearly over. So summer holidays are coming. Anyway, I'm back with some more Will You Press the Button? Because I enjoyed it last time and there's some pretty dilemma stuff on this. I enjoy it. I enjoy playing this game. There's a lot of stuff a lot of choices you have to make, life choices. It teaches you about what happens in the future. Anyway, let's see. Bring peace to the world among all people for the rest of time. But you die and nobody will ever know that you brought this peace. It's world peace. Who cares who brought it? I'm pretty sure they'll find out eventually. It doesn't say that they'll never find out. It says they know it was me. Eventually they'll find out it was me. Yeah, go away. Damn it! I pressed the button. Shit, it was a good one. Yeah. Restart high school, but with your present mind the same. Okay, but you will be able. Why are there two buts? But you'll be haunted by an annoying ghost that will prank you or get you in trouble. The grammar on this is absolutely fucking horrendous. No one else can see him, and no one will believe you if you tell them he exists. I couldn't read the grammar on that. That was a bad one. Grammar people, Jesus. Okay. Everybody worship you. Good so far, but except your family who hates you. I become God. The dilemma there is very good. I enjoy the dilemma. Okay, you are given $1 million, but the person on Earth that you hate the most is given $1 billion. I don't really hate that many people on Earth. There are people that like, but I resolve differences by beating the crap out of them. You can go anywhere in the world instantly, but each time you did, you would be a statue for an entire day. Statues, man! I can watch what happens in Rome whenever I want to. It's finally the year of the Linux desktop. I have no idea how to pronounce that. But I'm guessing that's the guy who created it. I don't know anything about that. I will not press the button because I don't know what you're talking about. I know Linux has free stuff. Linux. How do you pronounce that? Linux? Is it Linux? I don't know. You will now get $1 billion for every decade you have lived. Okay, $1 billion. But you die instantly when you see a tree. Yeah, there's a lot of trees in my area. Sorry. You have super speed, but you always have to be moving. No problem with that one. No problems at all. You will meet your true love, alright, but you will get friend zone for 3 years. Oh my god. Only says 3 years though. Doesn't say that it's for the rest of my life, so we'll press the button, we'll get married in 3 years. Anyway, moving on. You have the best internet ever, but you have to use Internet Explorer. Sorry. I'm too addicted to Chrome by now to actually use Internet Explorer. That was a good one. Why is everything loading slow? Oh, ironically, the internet just crashes. Alright. You can enhance any sense you want to superhuman levels, but you lose one other sense of your choice. I'd upgrade my sense of touch to a superhuman level. Wait, no, I'd lose my touch. No, wait, no. I'm trying to think of a good way around this one. I upgrade my sense of touch to a superhuman level, but I lose my sense of smell because I'm not really used to that much. So yeah. Think about it, you don't need to smell that much, but if you have touch, you can see things when they happen, in a way. You get to live the life of a celebrity, but you have to become either Freddie Mercury, Kurt Cobain, or Crisis Fairley. You die the same exact day and time like they did. I don't know any of these people. Well, I know Freddie Mercury, but he died a long time ago. That's a good one. Look at that. The potential people didn't agree with me. Okay, well you can become any type of animal you want, real or fictional, but you're a female of that species, captive, and live a long life strictly for breeding. You know what, never mind. Although then again, how would you capture a dragon and use her for breeding? Think about it. That's my animal. Dragon's awesome. You will meet your true love, but they're same gender. No. Sorry. I'm totally straight right now. Nothing's gonna change that. Nothing. 50 people agree with me. You can summon a demonic guitar whenever you want, but you can never learn or forget how to play it, and you can only summon one at a time. When it says never forget, what's the problem? I'll play this game, demonic guitar, all into the night. Okay, you'd get 80% of Bill Gates' wages without having to do a thing, but you must put a toothpick underneath your toenails and slam them into a brick nuts. Oh god. Even thinking about it makes me want to puke. Or like, oh. No, sorry. Ugh. You have the ability to pause time. Yeah. But you can never unpause it. Why is that a thing? Pause time. I'm stuck in this time forever now. That was like, the hell? Anyway, you can get any one girl. You can get any one girl of your dreams, but she'll get bored of you. Boredom is not the key to happiness. You're a beautiful human being, but you're always 10 years behind technology. I need internet. I need internet. You can film and watch every dream you ever had, but you'll never see the end of your dream. I hate endings. I hate endings. These questions. I tried to extend the box to my recording software as big as I could, but it isn't really working. Okay, you are able to make a comfortable living doing nothing but playing games professionally for the rest of your life, but you will forever be a virgin if you have already lost your virginity, or your memories of having had sex will be erased. Those who you slept with will also forget doing so. No. No. Not a good one. You are the smartest person in the world, but you're ugly. Beauty. Beauty, man. You remove spiders on Earth, fucking great, but a random guy on Earth died. Grammar, God. Would you guys press the button or not? Please leave a comment down below. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like. Also subscribe for more awesome videos. Hold on to your own awesome. I hope you enjoyed. Have a brilliant day, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.